Krisp not canceling noise properly, yeah, that's super annoying, especially when background sounds are still coming through. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it fast. All right, first, make sure noise cancellation is actually enabled in Krisp. I mean, it sounds obvious, but it's easy to miss. Next, check your call app settings and make sure Krisp is selected as your microphone. Yeah, otherwise it won't filter anything. Now open Krisp and confirm your real microphone is selected. I mean, wrong input means poor or no noise filtering. Okay? Move your microphone closer to your mouth. Krisp works best when your voice is clear and stronger than background noise. If you're using other noise suppression tools, turn them off. Yeah, multiple filters can conflict and reduce quality. Also, check your input volume. I mean, if it's too low, Krisp can't separate your voice from noise properly. Next, make sure Krisp is updated. New versions improve noise cancellation performance, and test Krisp in another app. This helps confirm if the issue is with Krisp or your call app. So yeah, that's how you fix Krisp not canceling noise properly. One of these steps should clean up your audio instantly. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.